Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. I'm Ahmed and I will be presenting this demo together with my colleague Krisa. In this session, we will be demonstrating our integration between FreeSwitch as an open source telephony platform along with Salesforce and Slack. Krisa will walk us through the Salesforce configuration and I'll demonstrate how we can use that configuration in FreeSwitch and how the integration with Salesforce end-to-end works. After Chris will walk us through creating a new extension and a new line from Salesforce dashboard, I will use it to log into our DaVinci soft phone, initiate initiate a call, either inbound or outbound, and demonstrate how the real transcription is captured and displayed in Slack. So without further ado, I'll hand it over to Carissa.
Thank you. So I'm going to show my Salesforce dashboard that we've built for this integration. And from this interface, I'm going to start with creating new FreeSwitch configurations. So I'm going to create a new extension here. And it's going to be 8689. And save it. And I'm going to create a corresponding device. And here I'm going to associate that extension 8689 to it. And I will set the password to be pass1234. And associate with my user. And so on the dashboard, I'm going to push the configurations to the FreeSwitch server. And so now on the server, I can show the timestamp of the newly created extension right here. So now these configurations are successfully synced from Salesforce, and I'm going to hand the demo back to Ahmad to continue.
Thank you, Carissa. Let me share our screen. So my screen here, actually, I will demonstrate how we can use this newly created extension. Here we are inside our Creators Studio, which is our user management portal. We manage our user profiles and how, the application can be added to our profiles. Then each user so as you can see over here, we have a FreeSwitch profile with 3 applications. For one of the application, which is the FreeSwitch application, what we need to do is to just update these values for that particular user. To do so, I'm going to our users. This is the user I'm going to log in to DaVinci. So here, these are the user attributes, SIP password, SIP extensions. So the new created extension was 8689, and the SIP password was pass1234. I will save it. Hopefully, it's reflected into our user. Now, what I'm going to do is to, as you can see here on the right side, we have Slack, and then on the left side, we have our agent, which is our soft phone. I'm going to use the same user for which we updated the extension and password. Okay, I'm logged in here. I'm trying to confirm we are using the correct microphone and speaker, which is correct. Now I will ask Carissa to create an inbound, but before that, please pay attention to the right side of the page, which is a Slack. On the middle of the page here, we will have all the previous calls. Then for each call, we will have a thread. When we click on that thread, you will have all the transcription for that call. Now we need to pay attention to what happens when I answer the call. So I received the call from Carissa. Her extension is 101. I answer the call now. At this point, the call is connected. Now, as you can see in the middle of the Slack page, a new call comes through. The stat is connected. And then, as I mentioned, we need to click on this thread to view the a new transcription uh, that is being pushed into this thread. So I will have a discussion with Chris as a customer service from Amazon. Hey, how can I help you?
I'd like to process a return today.
Sure. Could you please provide your first name, last name, and last four digits of your account number?
Yes, my name is Carissa True. My account number is 5555.
Yeah, as you can see, the transcription is pushed to this thread and is categorized as agent and customer. Then as soon as we hang up the call, the status of the call, which is connected at this point, you can see both in the middle of the Slack page, the last call, and as well as on the thread in the beginning of the right pane, you can see the status of the call is connected. We see the call ID as well. So I'm going to ask Chris to just hang up the call now.
Okay, I'm hanging up.
Yeah, call is hang up is cleared from our software on the left side, and the status of the call is updated, it's completed. So that concludes our demo. Thank you so much for your time and attention.